Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bestseller Products. Today, we're tackling a cleaning essential, lightweight vacuums. These little lifesavers are perfect for quick pickups, apartments, or anyone who wants a hassle-free clean. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? Worry not, because we've got you covered. We'll be reviewing some of the best-selling lightweight vacuums from Amazon USA, giving you the lowdown on their key features, pros and cons, to help you find your perfect match. Before we dive in, let's chat about some things to consider when buying a lightweight vacuum. Corded versus cordless. Corded vacuums offer continuous power, but limit your reach. Cordless models provide freedom of movement but have shorter run times. Weight. Lighter is usually better for maneuverability, especially for handheld use. Versatility. Does it convert to a handheld vacuum for furniture and tight spaces? Does it come with attachments for different cleaning tasks? Floor type. Some vacuums excel on hard floors, while others are better suited for carpets. Now, let's get to those reviews. Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. Key features: super lightweight, at just 3 pounds, converts to a handheld vacuum, includes a crevice tool. Pros: ultra portable, great for quick cleanups on hard floors and low-pile carpets, easy to store. Cons: corded, limited suction power for deep cleaning, small dust cup. Eureka Home Lightweight Mini Cleaner. Key features: super affordable, compact and lightweight, handheld design. Pros: budget-friendly, great for quick pickups on furniture, upholstery, and in your car. Cons: limited suction power, no attachments, not suitable for floors. Homica Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Key features: cordless with decent runtime, lightweight, converts to a handheld vacuum, includes multiple attachments. Pros: offers cordless convenience, good for hard floors and pet hair, versatile with various attachments. Cons: may not be strong enough for deep carpet cleaning. Some users report shorter than advertised runtime. Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner. Key features: 3-in-1 design, stick, handheld, and upholstery vacuum, lightweight, includes a crevice tool and dusting brush. Pros: affordable, versatile for different cleaning tasks, good for hard floors and light carpet cleaning. Cons: not the most powerful suction. Some users find the build quality lacking. Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Complete Wet-Dry Vacuum. Key features: wet/dry vacuuming capabilities, cordless with long runtime, self-cleaning function, good for hard floors. Pros: excellent for hard floors and wet messes, cordless convenience with good battery life, self-cleaning saves time. Cons: more expensive option, not ideal for thick carpets, bulky for handheld use. Recommendation: the best lightweight vacuum for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Here's a quick guide. For portability and quick cleanups, Bissell Featherweight or Eureka Home, if on a tight budget. For versatility and cordless convenience, Homica or Dirt Devil. For hard floors and wet messes, Tineco iFloor, but consider the price.